So some developers went through the App Store upload logs and Apple's open source codes and found references to something called RealityOS. Now, Mark Gurman in the past has told us we should see the headset run on ROS, and so now we know that R stands for reality, which makes sense since, of course, this is an AR/VR headset. So yes, much like the Mac runs macOS, iPhones run iOS, and iPads run iPadOS, we should see these headsets have their own custom operating system. Now, we're not sure how the OS is going to look like. If I were to assume, I do think the design language is going to be a mix between macOS and iOS, and really the only tidbit we have about RealityOS is that we should see an app store for the headset, and Apple's focus is going to be with gaming, streaming video content, and video conferencing, so these are most likely what the OS is going to specialize in. And to be honest, even if we don't see the headset launch at WWDC this year, I would not be surprised if Apple does go ahead and announce a platform for developers to make apps for this headset. Since, let's be honest, if Apple launches a very pricey headset with no actual apps that take advantage of all the power the headset has, it's gonna be a pretty bad deal. So I do think Apple should give developers a head start, and so once it is available to the public, there will be applications on it on day one. And yeah, since RealityOS is actually within code right now, I do think there is a very good chance Apple could announce the software side of things and the developer tools at WWDC. Now, recapping the actual features of the headset, it's going to have two 8K displays, 12 cameras around it. It could be powered by the M1 Pro in the MacBook Pro, alongside another chip that could be on the levels of the M1. And unlike the competition, these are going to be relatively sleek. They're apparently going to be under 150 grams, which is super light, and so this should be way more comfortable to use. Now, the price, unfortunately, is going to be pretty hefty. It's going to be $2,000, which is absolutely insane. But at the same time, this does have some very high-end specs, so I guess the price is somewhat justified. And to control the headset, instead of actual controllers, this headset's going to have eye tracking and also hand tracking, so this should be much more intuitive and easier to use. Now, the release is the only thing up in the air, because there's been plenty of reports suggesting a 2022 release, but Mark Gurman recently did say that due to the M1 Pro chip, Apple's facing overheating issues, and so that might push back the release. And so, like I said, even if we don't see the headset launch in 2022, I do think the software side is going to be revealed at WWDC. Anyways guys, tell me in the comments below, when do you think Apple's headset's going to launch? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out the video linked above on details regarding the iPhone 14 series, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.